Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie, and for today's video I went to Tracy, California 99-cent store and actually found makeup palette and a contouring palette and then a lipstick palette. So I got this Phase 1 Cosmetics, and I want to try and see if I mean, for the price, this is $2.99 guys. I don't know what ingredients they have in here and how pigmented it is, or is it even pigmented? Can it compete, right? And then I got the contour and blush palette. There you go. So we're gonna try that, and that's also $2.99. And this is a $1.99 amazing value, alluring matte color complete matte lipstick. I haven't even opened it. See that? I don't know. What do you guys think? It also comes with like a little brush for the lippy. So we're gonna try that today. Anyways, I appreciate you guys spending your time with me today. Forgive me if I haven't done any videos or not a lot of videos recently. I was really down and sick for the last 5 days after my first chemo, and I'm looking fine right now. I'm looking okay. Yesterday I was supposed to do the video yesterday, but I really can't do it. I'm really sick yesterday, so right now I'm feeling a lot better. So I'm hoping that it will progress as you know the days go, and I'll feel a lot more better, and that way I'll be able to go ahead and keep uploading videos. So really appreciate you guys' patience and support. I love you guys all. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump in. Ahead and start with primer, and I'm going to use Make It Last by Milani, and this is quite good for kind of moisturizing your face and priming it before we put any foundation. So let me go ahead and just spray. Ooh, smells good. Okay, I'm gonna start with just my eyes for now. And I'm going to use my Born This Way Too Faced, the most expensive foundation here in my desk right now. So I just want to start with the eyes right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just grab this brush, and I'm going to put, you know, a little bit over there. A lot actually. Ooh, okay. Alright, so I didn't put powder on it. I want to make sure that the Phase 1 Cosmetic Tropical Dream Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. So the bottom is the blush. So as you can see that, the bottom is the blush. I want to make sure that we give it a chance, you know, to kind of see if that is, you know, even close to pigmented. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put tape over here. You don't want the other one lower or higher. All right, so what we're going to do right now is I am going to go ahead and grab this brush over here, okay? And this is called Morphe M330. We're gonna go ahead and go to this color over here. It's kind of like it's not a baby pink, but this is like pinkish. This is fuchsia. This is like really light pink. This is gonna be just the background, right? Oh, okay. That's not bad. All right, using the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and get into the darker color of the pink. So the fuchsia. I don't even know if that's what it's called, but it's a very pretty color. That one. It's a very pretty color. This came from 99-cent store, although it's not 99 cents. There's 99 cents on it. It's $2.99 for the entire palette with the blush. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and touch base with that color pink, and we're just gonna intensify that color over here. Not bad. Look at that. See that, guys? Oh. Okay, I'm not mad at this. Now, using a clean brush, which is another thick brush over here, we're going to dive into the same first color that we did, the lighter one, kind of like to diffuse the color on top. I just want to diffuse it. Alright, so after doing that, we're going to go ahead and grab our Photo Focus Wet n Wild concealer to cut the crease. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and grab a flat brush over here. Okay, I'm grabbing my Beauty Glaze over here, and here is the palette. So I'm going to use this color first to kind of go in the inner corner of the eye. If you want to get this palette, I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description down below, and you can use the code FINELIKES to get 15% off for this palette. And I'm going to use a flat brush for it, and I'm going to use this one. It's a Wet n Wild kind of brush. It's a flat. I'm going to go ahead and go back to our face one and grab this color over here. Just kind of retouch the pink color, right? And I'm going to use the Morphe M330. Okay. We're going to go ahead and touch base on that corner over here. Alright, so after doing that, right, so I'm pretty much okay with that part. I'm still on M330. We're just gonna brush out the other color, and we're gonna go to the lighter color of the pink at the face one. Just gonna go ahead and grab that like that, and we're gonna put it over here, kind of like to transition it. Alrighty, I think I'm pretty happy with that. Never seen anything yellow like that, but that's awesome. Yeah. All right, so we're done over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and take that piece out. Ooh, look at that. Okay. All right, so I am done with that. I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little shimmer. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Kiss. It's a brow powder actually, but there's like a part where it's shimmery, where you actually put over here, but I don't. I normally put it over here. And then I am going to grab some golden liquid eyeliner over here. Again, if you'd like to get it for 15% off, you can use the code FINELIKES. You can get it at finelikes.com. I'll go ahead and post the link in the description down below. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put it over there on top. Alright, so now that it's dry, that glittery part over there, I'm going to use my Essence Super Last matte black eyeliner. Alright, so I was able to go ahead and apply my eyeliner over here. I'm not going to go ahead and put the lashes yet, but I am going to start with the face right now. And we're going to use the Morphe matte color in full coverage F330. Okay, and we're going to use this brush. Put it over there. Hopefully it matches my color, because kind of like enjoyed the summer recently, so it might not, but we'll see. We'll make it work. Okay, and then we're going to use our blending brush. And then of course you're gonna have to use concealer, which is my Wet n Wild. I like this Wet n Wild concealer, light to medium beige. I am jumping into my Airspun loose powder. Airspun loose powder. We're gonna go ahead and just grab this. Okay, and then we'll grab a little bit. There you go. Just set it. Let's leave it there for a few minutes. So after doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and contour. So we're gonna use the Phase 1 Jet Set Contour and Blush. So I am going to use this brush over here, and it is the e.l.f. Contour and Blush. So we're gonna grab this color. Okay. Then after that, we're gonna go ahead and just kind of blend it. All right, so I was able to go ahead and blend it out. We're gonna go ahead and just grab our Smashbox shimmer. So we can go ahead and grab that shimmer, which is this shimmer over here. I actually normally mix them together. So this one, that one, and that one. All right, so I was able to go ahead and do the shimmer. We are jumping into the lower lash line. All right, it's very easy. It's not that hard. I'm going to use my Morphe 321, and it's like this brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this color over here, the lighter color, right? I'm just gonna grab that before we even jump into the darker color. So kind of. Then we're gonna go ahead and jump into this color over here. Because we want it to get a little bit darker. There you go. And then after that, I am grabbing, because I don't have a lash, not as much. So it's not, even if I put mascara on it, it's not gonna work out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put eyeliner on the bottom. Let me go ahead and just complete my eyebrows and my lashes, and I will be back, so stay tuned. We are jumping to the Alluring Matte Color Complete Matte Lipstick Palette, and it comes with this little kind of brush to, okay, I can't open it. All right, there you go. And these are the colors that it comes with. So what I'm going to choose, I feel like I like this color, this dark color over here. So we're gonna try that one. I am going to just grab a lip liner, which is this color. It is the LA Girl lip liner, just to kind of help us shape our lips. And then we're gonna go ahead and use their brush that comes with it. See if that works out. Oh, okay. It's actually not matte. Okay, although it's not fail, I wouldn't call it not effective. It's pretty. I like it. It's just that it's not matte though. If you want it to be matte, grab your loose powder. Okay, you don't want the lipstick to go stick on the brush. So you go get a tissue and kind of bite it. There you go. Actually, looks nice when it's not, when you lessen it a little bit. But if you want it to be matte, you can grab a loose powder. There you go. All right, so what do you guys think of the 3 products that we used today? So we have the Alluring Matte Color, which is not really matte color, but I really like the color that it came out with. You just have to bite the tissue and it'll actually stick. It's not that bad. It's really pretty. We got the Phase 1 Tropical. Doesn't look like tropical because there's no tropical color. Maybe I can say the pink. Tropical should have like green, a yellow, blue. Well, there's a blue over there. But Phase 1 Cosmetics and the Phase 1, the Phase 1 Cosmetics eyeshadow palette and blush. I didn't try the blush though, but I'm pretty sure it's kind of like the same as this one. This one is the Jet Set Phase 1 Contour and Blush. So it retails $2.99 each. And then $1.99 for the lipstick palette. What do you guys think of the video today? And what do you think of the products that we used today? What I can tell you though, guys, is that I am really impressed with the Phase 1 Cosmetics. So let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Tell me if you have tried Phase 1 Cosmetics before. What do you think about it? I'm not even sure if they even have a different type of palette. Or is this the only colors they have? But I'm living for the pink for this one. They don't have a lot of fall-offs too as well. So let me know what you think. Put your thoughts and comments down below. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. If you want to join our small family, please do hit that subscribe button down below, and of course that little bell for notifications so you'll be notified when new videos come in. So until my next video, again, I really appreciate your time and support. I will see you on my next video. Bye!